Welcome to this lesson on controls and state management in ASP .NET WebForms. Today, we will explore how controls work, how state is preserved across postbacks, and why these concepts are essential for building dynamic, user-friendly applications. Let us get started. In this lesson, we will begin with a quick overview of WebForms, then explore why controls and state management are so important. Controls form the building blocks of your UI, and state management ensures your application remembers user actions. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to use both effectively. ASP.NET WebForms provides three main types of controls. Server controls run on the server and render HTML for the browser. User controls allow you to create reusable UI components. Custom controls are built from scratch and give you full control over behavior and rendering. Understanding these helps you build modular, maintainable applications. View state is a built-in mechanism that preserves control values between postbacks. It is stored in a hidden field on the page, encoded in base 64. This allows controls to maintain their state without relying on a database. It is essential for forms, selections, and user inputs. Control state is similar to view state, but is reserved for critical data that controls must maintain. Unlike view state, it cannot be disabled. This ensures essential controls continue working even if view state is turned off for performance reason. Session state stores user-specific data on the server. It persists across multiple pages during a user session. This makes it ideal for storing login information, user preferences, or shopping cart items. Application state provides global storage shared by all users. It's stored in server memory and is perfect for data that rarely changes, such as configuration values or cached lookup data. To keep your application fast and efficient, minimize view state size, use control state only for essential data, and choose session or application state based on your needs. Avoid storing large objects in view state as it increases page size and slows performance. In conclusion, mastering controls and state management is essential for building robust WebForms applications. These concepts improve performance, maintain user data, and create a smooth user experience. Practice them in real projects to strengthen your understanding. If you have any questions or want to explore specific scenarios, feel free to ask. Let us clarify anything you would like to understand better.